All right, what's going on, YouTube? This is John with Venomous Comics, back with another episode. And today I have some Marvel 2017 packs to open up for the channel. I have some friends on the table with me, some Cap over here, some Miles, and of course we got to throw some Venom in there from the 1994 Marvel Masterpieces and the Black Panther. Those that I think it's, the Black Panther's blue variant. This is a purple variant, Miles Morales, and this is the base card, the 2018 series, so the one right after this. This is what the packs look like. Marvel 2017, and there's let's see, 150 base cards, which is kind of a lot of base cards, I think, to collect a set. There's some foil parallels. The foil parallels are, the blue parallels are 1 in 3, and then there's also purple parallels, which are 1 in 20 packs. So I'm hoping to pull a purple. Would be awesome. There's patches, in memorandum cards, which are 1 in 16. Rookie heroes cards. There's 5 of them. Those are 1 in 10. So there's definitely some cool stuff to pull in here. That opened pretty easy. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, this thing's having trouble focusing here. But yeah, that's Medusa. There we go. Miss Marvel. The base card. That's cool. Miss Marvel. Got an Iron Man. Base card. Oh, flip around. And this is a Secret Empire. Secret Wars Volume 2. Cool card. Oh, and a Captain America. Score. Captain America is always pretty awesome. I don't know what number. So there are short prints. The short prints are over 100. So I'll go for another one. Another one open. There we go. Some Hawkeye. IVD. America Chavez. I like that card. Ooh, and we got a blue parallel of Enigma. And an Electra card. Nice. Alright, third pack. Dagger. Seem to pull a lot of Dagger cards around here. And we got a top 10. Generations. The top 10s are 1 in 10 packs, so that was a good find. And then we got this, which is pretty awesome. Got an in memorandum card. These are 1 in 16 packs of Jack Flag. Storm. And a Moon Knight. I like that Moon Knight. Come on. I don't like the way these packs open up. There we go. Angel. Another top 10. Ultron, top 10. And we got another Secret Wars. Mosaic. Base card and a Flint base card. These packs, I mean these boxes, these hobby boxes currently on eBay are about $160. Misty Knight. The 2018 series, double of Enigma. Oh no, I think the other one was the blue foil. Another top 10. Story arc. Inhumans vs. X-Men. We got a rookie hero. Who's this? Silas Fireheart. The rookie heroes are another Ultron. 1 in 16 packs. That's what it says. So yes, the 2018 series, which is not this series, has the Miles Morales rookie card. I'm really hoping I get one of those boxes soon. But they're about $260. Scrag base card, Exodus, Secret Empire. That one is pretty awesome looking. Is this a Wasp? And Quake. Alright, 2 packs left. Goodness. There we go. A Thor card. Interesting artwork on that Thor card. Ooh, Black Panther. I like that Black Panther a lot, actually. And it actually looks really good in the silver base. Show the back of that one, of course. The Secret Empire. The same one I got? No, it's different. And we got a Jessica Jones. Jessica Jones. Oh, that's a base card. And Spider-Man card. Awesome. And last pack. Last but not least, hopefully, maybe we'll pull something cool. Super cool. Rare. Who knows? Let's find out. Alright, what do we got? We got the Stinger. Base card. Black Bolt. And we got a Secret Empire. Looks like Doctor Strange and Kingpin on there. I'm probably wrong, but it's definitely Doctor Strange. Squirrel Girl. Happy Day. I'm not going to show the back of that card. And Jackal. And that's it. Alright, I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button if you did. And subscribe if you haven't. Pulled some cool cards out of here. Cool Spider-Man. Cool Captain America. And I'm going to have a few more pack opening videos coming. This memorandum is pretty awesome, although I'm not sure who the Jack Flag is, but I have to check it out. Do a little more research on that one. But yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to check you out on the next one. Alright, see ya. Bye.